Hello, my name is Mabel Garza. I'm assuming the majority of the people watching this video are people who are already well acquainted with me and know who I am, pretty much. I'm an artist. I do art of many kinds. However, despite being an artist, my shortcomings are usually in the makeup field. Usually when I try to do makeup, I end up looking kind of cracky, like I'm on crack. Here in my hometown, it's fine because it's my hometown, and never mind. Anyways, yeah, so I've been interested in makeup. I've been gifted a lot of makeup products throughout my years in high school and whatnot. Yeah, I'm not great at makeup. However, one of my high school, graduated together in high school. She made a YouTube channel. It's a beauty channel, and she does tutorials. And she just posted her first one, and I thought, well, she posted an everyday look, kind of natural thing, and that's what I'm going for. I'd like to not call attention to my face, but I'd also like to not look like I'm on a meth. So, anyways, I thought I'd try it. As I said, I would. And I'll leave a link to her channel and whatnot here. Got me some false eyelashes. They look pretty not too attractive. Honestly, I might just leave that out, but for fun's sake, I'm gonna do it in this video. First time ever doing false eyelashes. Might be better for my skin too, to clean off any old makeup before applying new makeup on your face. I'm just assuming. I don't know why it's black. Alright. I think I'm cleaner. Let's start the video.
I'm back with another YouTube video. This is my first ever makeup tutorial video, and
You're doing it.
first thing we're gonna do is I already did my eyebrows.
I think my eyebrows are already pretty fucking dark and bold already. Eyes.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take the Wet n Wild concealer again.
This concealer has like a matte end and a fucking gloss end. I've come to enjoy the glossy sides, so let's see what she's doing with this. Let me prepare my stick.
The same brush that you
Beauty sponge.
the concealer with on your
I'm gonna use a beauty sponge.
Oh,
Very close up. Fuck it. She's blending. I'm gonna try and blend
what I
too.
usually do,
This way.
take my finger.
I'm sorry, Gabby, if I'm not supposed to use a fucking sponge. It's the first step, and I'm already freaking out. Okay. What's next?
Take my finger.
That's decent, I think. Let's continue.
It's okay. Let's continue with this. So now that we have that set, we're gonna go in with the eyeshadow palette.
Eyeshadow. I like this color better. Wait, what color? Oh. Most of the color at the end and swing it forward, she said. Blend upward. Well, as you can see, I got a bunch of orange on the side of my face. That's not looking too hot yet. Oh, Lord, okay. I don't know. Maybe I should just blend. Oh, this is totally a liner brush. This is not a blending brush. Alright.
So, I learned a new tip and trick.
New tip and trick. That's pretty cool. Whoever invented or discovered this tip is moving mountains out there. I'll tell you what. I think I cut the crease too high on this eye. How I doing, Gabby?
What we're gonna do is add some eyeliner. just to do it right under in the inside of my eye, and then we're gonna do the bottom.
Okay.
So we're gonna go ahead and use
eyeliner.
This is the definer line. Using the style.
Alright, so before the eyeliner, we're popping on lashes. My first time, and I'm a little nervous. Alright, let's. Yeah. Gabby, help me. Okay, hold on. I feel like there's a tool you're supposed to use for this. Dude, I can't get this fucking... I can't get that part to stay on.
This isn't going down. I don't know if I said it or not.
Let's move on.
My face is already primed, by the way. So I'm just gonna use
Well, I don't have that foundation.
It looks so yellow. That's just me.
But I have powder.
Boop. Boop. And boop. Okay.
Well,
and then now we're gonna mix in the one of our focus the shade Golden Page. It's a lot lighter.
right now we're doing concealer. Wait a minute. Man, these lashes are fucking up my do. Alright, let's blend this. Okay, so I've managed to get this far. Granted, my eyelashes look like trash, and slowly but surely levitating towards the I'm on drugs look. But we'll see. Maybe I can just take them off later because this is working out. I don't think that the lashes aren't working out. But I've almost ruined my crease cut and my shimmer.
I'm gonna go ahead and
but anyways, let's just keep trucking on and see where I can go. I don't have bronzer, but I have slightly darker foundation.
The main thing I want to do and learn is a 3. 1, 3. I skipped 2, but 2's here. 1, 2, 3.
2, 3. These are fucking terrible. What I've been doing for years is I just get like a finger's worth of lipstick, finger it on. This is kind of the wrong color.
I want to do a lipstick, like a matte lipstick, because I didn't want it to.
Let me just slap some.
So like.
Well, I don't have her lip gloss, but I have a lip gloss that I stole. No, I didn't steal it, like from the store. I stole it from like a person. Not glossy, it's like syrup. I need a beauty blend this out a little more, hold on. I'll try some mascara and see if that's like the same thing. Because I like that look, but the eyelashes just didn't work out, so. I think I skipped the eyeliner part. I don't know how to do top eyeliner either. can't do this. Oh my fucking god. Well, I just butchered my eyelid makeup. No worries, I'll just apply more concealer. I followed all the steps that I could follow on the video. I think this is a goddamn decent attempt, if you ask me. I could walk in and not act like an asshole, and I'm sure someone who doesn't already know me would assume that I'm a very nice girl. No, not to say that I'm a mean girl. I'm just weird. With this makeup look, I feel a little more ladylike, and I can act natural. So that's good, you know. I don't know if you can see. If you want to get into details here. Contour's looking a little orange, honestly. I'm kind of sad that the fake eyelashes didn't work out because they looked honestly kind of cool. But maybe they'll be a part of my routine if I can figure them out. Subscribe to Getting Fab with Gab for all of your makeup needs. She's taking requests. I'd like to request a false eyelash tutorial and perhaps like a liquid eyeliner tutorial. There's probably plenty around, you know, but I want to see you do it, Gabriella.